Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the best beauty products out there and give you the insights you need before you make a purchase. Let's talk about a lip duo that promises to deliver a versatile, nude look for any occasion. The Stila Shine and Define Nude Lip Duo. This lip duo is designed to enhance your natural lip color while providing you with two powerful shades. One for defining and one for adding that perfect glossy finish. Whether you're aiming for a soft, day-to-day look or something with a bit more definition, this duo claims to have you covered. The Stila Shine and Define Nude Lip Duo comes with two complementary shades. The first is a liquid liner designed to define your lips, giving them a crisp, polished edge. The second is a creamy gloss, providing that beautiful shine and a hint of nude pigment that's universally flattering. It's versatile enough to wear both shades separately or layer them for a more defined, plump look. When I first tested these, I found the formula to be smooth and easy to apply. The liner glided on without tugging, and the gloss was lightweight, providing just the right amount of shine without being sticky. The nude tones are definitely flattering for most skin tones, making it a great option for anyone looking to enhance their natural lip color. I wore it throughout a full day of work, and it lasted surprisingly well, with only minimal touch-ups needed after meals. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this duo. Starting with the pros. The shades are beautiful and work across various skin tones, making this a universally flattering option. The gloss is smooth and not sticky, offering a comfortable wear. The duo is versatile, allowing you to use the products together or separately depending on the look you want to achieve. Packaging is sleek, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go touch-ups. However, there are a couple of cons. The liner might feel a bit too subtle for those who prefer a bolder, more defined lip look. It's great for a natural definition, but if you're looking for something intense, this may not be your ideal product. If you have very dry lips, you might want to prep your lips with a good lip balm before applying. While the gloss feels hydrating, the liner can accentuate dryness if your lips aren't prepped. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the price is reasonable, given the quality and versatility of the product. For two products in one, you're getting a solid nude lip look that can transition easily from day to night. If you're looking for a lip duo that's both practical and flattering, the Stila Shine and Define Nude Lip Duo delivers that. Comparing it to similar products on the market, Stila holds its own. There are other brands that offer nude lip duos, but what sets Stila apart is the added shine with a gloss that doesn't compromise on comfort. Some other lip duos can feel too heavy or sticky, but Stila's formula stays lightweight while still delivering a beautiful finish. The build quality of the packaging feels premium. The applicators for both the liner and gloss are easy to use, and the tube design is sleek and travel-friendly. It's a solid product that I expect to last a while in terms of both use and wear. As for customer support, while I haven't needed to reach out to Stila directly, the brand is known for its excellent customer service, and their reputation speaks for itself. If you're looking for an alternative, I would recommend checking out other nude lip duos from brands like Too Faced or MAC. Both offer similar shades and a long-lasting formula, but at a slightly higher price point. However, if you're not looking to break the bank, Stila offers a solid option that still delivers on its promises. To wrap things up, I would recommend the Stila Shine and Define Nude Lip Duo to anyone looking for a flexible, everyday lip duo that delivers a natural yet polished look. It's ideal for those who prefer a more subtle, comfortable finish with the option to layer for more definition. The price point is fair for what you're getting, and it's an easy addition to your beauty routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. You can also find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.